performance tayo since GSBLG got 10 governance areas. We hope na year by year kumamot ako na tunay na yun ang kumamot na governance areas na maipas pa sa tayo. So, DJ ako i-overview ito na activity, and with regards to your full disclosure policy board, we commend the LGU for posting updated and complete FDP documents in your FDP board. So, ako kasi mangkad kami gusto mo unahan na po pinita and updated. So, congratulations and good job po sa inyong FDP focal person.
Ito. Grace.
Thank you, ma'am. Updated po. No? So, nag-ilang naman natin yung LGUs. Medyo nag-ilang na updated. Pero for Manabu, updated. So, congratulations and keep it up. Let's get the ball rolling na rin ako. I-flow na natin ang activity, in-review yung mga indicators per assessment or governance area. And then, makita tayong to challenge na bigay maating imasaan, yung masabi tayong plan of action later on. And then, discuss ito later together with the liaison ako, Dayday. Additional indicators